There is a new way to do attribution within Meta ads, incremental attribution, and it's found right here. But what is it? Will it help you produce more leads and sales? And should you use it? That's what we're going to explore today. Yes, I know this won't be new for everybody. For some people, it's been around since 2024, but Meta roll out features like this gradually, and it's just about now available for everyone, so shut it if you're complaining. So what is it? Advanced Meta advertisers will know that sometimes Meta's existing attribution settings sometimes overestimate the amounts of sales that they've actually made. They essentially claim 100% of responsibility for a sale if someone clicks on your ad and purchases within 7 days, or if they just see your ad, scroll by it, but they go on to buy within 24 hours. Now, this is why Meta sometimes overestimates sales. Just because somebody has seen your ad, it doesn't mean Meta was responsible for creating that sale in entirety. But it does mean that you created another valuable touch point that helped the customer on their journey. Now, incremental attribution is meant to measure the true sales uplift that Meta has contributed to your overall sales. Now, imagine that you've got a lemonade stand and that you're making 10 sales every single day with no marketing at all. Then you put a big sign by the road and you're now making 14 sales every single day. So the true sales uplift of the sign is just 4 additional sales every day. It's not responsible for all 14 sales because you were making 10 anyway. So the incremental attribution of sales to the sign would be just 4 sales in this example. So why use it? Now, this will make your sales figures look worse and you will record fewer conversions, which may make it harder for your campaigns to optimize. Now, as you know, the more optimization events such as sales that your campaign makes, the better it will generally perform. So personally, we try to reduce this and we select all the old attribution settings as shown here. And you can see the incremental attribution data anyway by simply doing this. Now that way you can compare the stats. Now look at how my 2 clients compare here. Okay, so this is one of my client accounts and you can see this is just for April 2025. And this month we can see that the client has spent £2,800, just over, with a 48 return on ad spend, which is incredible performance by anyone's standards. And it's produced £136,000 worth of sales. But that's on the 7-day click and 1-day view attribution setting. The incremental attribution will look entirely different, and let me show you how. So if you click here to customize your columns and compare attribution settings, that will bring up this box here. And what you will notice on some accounts, and don't worry if this isn't here for you right now because it will appear in time, and you just select the incremental attribution and then it offers you all conversions or just the first conversion or both. So we will go all and we will click apply. And you can see here that the return on ad spend just from the incremental attributions is actually 24, so just over half, and the purchase conversion value is £68,500. It is nearly halved our purchase conversion value. And the reason for that is it's looking at what sales would this client have made anyway, and then it's looking at what is the uplift that Facebook has made. So if Facebook wasn't there, they would have made £68,500 less sales. So the reason we leave it off is because with the old attribution settings, you are making more sales. Now, yes, that's good to report back to your boss or your client or whatever it might be and saying, you know, we're making loads more sales, but this incremental attribution is just another data point. And I think it gives you a truer reflection of the actual impact and value your ads have had. Think about it, if somebody's scrolling through Facebook and your ad just moves past the screen, they don't really pay it much attention, but because they've seen that and then gone on to purchase within 24 hours, it will count the sale in there. Incremental attribution is less likely to count conversions like that. Exactly how Facebook measure that, no one knows. Facebook haven't released anything to say actually how they're measuring incremental attribution, so it is just a data point. But our advice at this stage, as of April 2025, is to use the old attribution models because it will help your campaigns optimize better because you're making more conversion events and you can see the incremental data anyway. So I hope that helps. Incremental attribution is here to stay, but at this stage, just use it as a data point. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more latest in Meta ads, and we'll see you next time.